Export/import of properties.
Yes, hello members. Welcome to this class. Today is day 67 of our web development course. This is day 67 of our web development course. I'm going to look at export slash importation of props. Okay, slash importation. So slash import of props. Okay. So remember, this is what I want to look at in today's class. Okay, export slash import of props. Okay. So members, before we can look at what we're going to cover today, I would like to have a brief recap about what we covered yesterday. Yesterday was day 66. And yesterday we were able to look at variables in props. Okay. Variables in props. Okay. So members, I hope everybody will attend yesterday's class. Okay. It is a prerequisite or a must for you to first go back and attend yesterday's class, then you come and look at today. Because I believe if you just come today, you're just going to be lost in the sky. I'm telling you this. Okay. So first go back and watch what you covered yesterday's class, then you come and look at what we are going to cover in today's class. Okay. It's that important because these things move hand in hand. Okay. So members, before I can maybe hit about it, but let's first cover this and we see. Okay. So we are continuing directly from where we stopped yesterday. I repeat, we are continuing from where we stopped yesterday. Okay, we are continuing from where we stopped yesterday in yesterday's class. Okay, from where we stopped in yesterday's class, we stopped here when we were being more organized and more concise and precise. Okay. So members, there is another view that came up. There is another view that came up. Okay, view that came up. Okay, instead of making the variables to be like this. Okay, because members, you first look and see. Okay, if we have a lot of variables in this function. Okay, look at this. Okay, now I want you to imagine if we have, for example, like 20 cards. Okay, each card has its own variable. Okay, variable 1, variable 2, variable 3. This thing tends to get very messy. Let me just copy this and I just show you here. Okay, I just want to show you. Let me just duplicate it here and I show you. Okay, I just duplicate here, I duplicate here, I duplicate here, then I duplicate here. Okay, I just want to show you what's going to happen. If we have all this, it becomes very messy. Okay, imagine all these are variable. Before even you reach the actual component here. Okay, so that one there, it became also a view of concern. Okay, became also a view of concern. Okay, it became also a view of concern. Okay. So members, it became a view of concern. So that in the first period or at first, it looks like as if it is concise because we have separated our variables from our code. Okay, we have separated our props. Okay, these props here, and we saw them in variables, and we just brought them as variables. First time it looks like as if it's good, but if we have 20 plus cards here with all their variables are becomes really too much. Okay, becomes really too much. This data you are seeing here, these variables become too much, and this place looks to be very cluttered. Okay, before even reach the actual component here, then they came up with a suggestion that instead of it being like this, why don't we have this data in its own particular place? Okay, then we just bring it from there in simple terms. Okay. So if you're just working with simple data, this one is okay. Okay, this one is okay for you. But when you're working with complex data, okay, complex data, this one is not viable. Okay, this one is not viable. This one you're seeing here, where we had, for example, variables like this, it is not viable. Okay, this one here is not viable. Okay, get to know this from day one. Okay, get to know this from the very beginning. Okay, Get to know this from the very beginning, okay? Okay. So members, you will see this one as if it's helping you or there is some bit of breathing space, okay? But when we have, for example, a lot of data, this one becomes very messy and very ugly looking, okay? Okay, so what I'm going to do is we are going to bring another concept, okay? Another concept, okay? Okay, instead of our data being like this, we are going to store it somewhere else. Come I put here, somewhere else, somewhere else, okay? Then we just bring the data from somewhere, anywhere it is, and bring it into our component, okay? 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 Okay, mark this, okay? Okay, so most people, they normally, when they are explaining crops, they normally start from this stage, and that's why I didn't want to start from this stage, because someone can become lost, someone becomes lost and they don't even know where to start from, okay? Someone becomes lost and don't even know where to start from, okay? Okay, so members, let me show you what you're going to do. I come here, out here. What I'm going to do, I come out here, then you see we're doing the same project we did yesterday, okay? The same project we did yesterday, okay? Okay. So as I hope we are following. This one where there's Mercedes Benz, this one where there's description, where there is a price. Are you seeing it? So I come out here and I create a file called data.ts, okay? What am I going to do? Data dot ts, okay? 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 Okay, so I come here. Now I'm going to remove all this data, okay? I'm going to come here and I put here I'm going to come here, I create a function, okay? I come here, I'm going to come here, I create here. Let me say, is it a function or let me just see. Is it like a very, can I just create a function there? Hmm? Can I just create a function there? I don't know whether it's possible for me, but we are going to see what you're going to do there. So this way I'm going to put all my data here, okay? So I'm going to put all my data, okay? Okay, so members, this is how everything is going to go. So members, you can see right now, I'm going to come here in my data here. Then I come, I put here a certain function, okay? I can come, I put there a certain, but I can't put like a function. I want to put an object, okay? We create, not a function, we create an object, okay? You create an object, okay? Which holds all our data, which holds all our data, okay? Okay, an object which holds all our data, okay? Okay, I come here and I put that object. I come and say here const, okay? Const, then I come and I put here my data. I can put anything, okay? That's just a common variable, okay? Put anything, okay? My data, I just put in that, my data, okay? My data, okay? Okay, so I put there my data, and I come, I put here is equal, like this, okay? Okay, so as you can see, it looks like that, okay? My data, const my data, I create an object, okay? So I store this data, this object here, this object in this variable. I think this one variable of mine, okay? My variable is called my data, okay? My variable is there and it has my object, okay? I see my object, it's there, okay? Okay, so my object is going to contain each and everything, okay? Okay, so I can come and put here, for example, I see this variable one. I see this variable one. I come and just put it there like this. Variable one. Are you seeing? Mark my what I'm going to do. I put there variable one, okay? Then I put that colon, okay? There's a difference between a semicolon and a colon. This one is a colon, okay? Then I come, I put this. Then I come, I put this, okay? I come and I put this Mercedes Benz as you see it here. Okay? I put it here as you see it there. Okay? Okay. So it looks like an object. I even put a comma. Okay? An object. An object. An object. Okay? Okay? Okay. So it looks like an object. So I come here and I do the same. Variable 2, as you can see here. Okay? Variable 2. Then I come, I put there. Variable 2, as you can see. Then I put here the colon. Okay? Then I come, I bring this one as you see it here. Okay? I bring this one as you see it there. I copy. Okay? I bring it here as you see it there. Okay? Okay. I watch what I'm doing, members, very well. I watch what I'm doing, members, very well. I watch what I'm doing, members, very well. Are you watching? Okay? Okay. So we move on. Okay? We move on. And I come, I bring this one here as you can see. Variable 3. Okay? Variable 3. Okay? Okay. So variable 3, I come, I put it there, variable 3. Then I put the colon there. Okay? The colon is there. Then I put here my 6,000. As you see, my 6,000 is there. Okay? My 6,000 is there. Okay? Okay, just like this. Just like this. Okay? I can put the last comma or I can just leave it just like this. Okay? Okay. So, by me doing this, everything is good. Okay? Even if I come and remove this, even if I come and I remove that, it is okay. It is okay. Okay? 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 Okay. So what am I going to do? Even here it's going to be affected. I know this one is going to be affected. I know that. Even here it's going to be affected. I know that. Even this one is going to be affected. I know that. Okay? I know that very well. Okay? Okay. So what am I going to do? My data is here. And my data is now in an object form. Okay? My data is now in an object form. Okay? Okay. So even if I have tons and tons of data, even if I have too much data, all my data is going to be in this file called data.ts. Okay? 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 Okay. So my data is going to be in this file called data.ts. Okay? Okay. So in this object is where my data is. So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here and I export this variable. Okay? Come, I say here export. Okay? Just like this. Okay? Then I come here in my page.ts. I see my page.ts here. I come, then I import it. I import it. Okay? I import it. I come, I say, I import it. I import that data. Okay? I import that data. Okay? So what am I going to do? I'm going to come here. Okay? I get this one here, seeing here, my data. Okay? My data. Okay? I come, I bring it as you can see it here. Okay? I put here my data. Then I can even come, I put backspace. Then I bring it. So I have imported my data from data. Okay? Now I brought it on this page you're seeing here. Okay? 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 Okay. So I can even remove this. Just showing you how I'm bringing the data. Then after doing that, I slide down. Okay? Then I start. You see, I've imported my data. I think I'm importing my data. I think I'm importing my data. Okay? That object where there is my data. That object where there is my data. Okay? I slide down, and you see where there is title. You see where there is title. I come and I put there my data. Okay? Dot variable 1. Wow. As simple as that. As simple and precise and concise as that. Okay? As that. Okay? As simple and precise and concise as that. Okay? Okay. So I move on. Okay? I move on. Okay? So which one was my second one? My second one was this one, variable 2. So I come here. Okay? And I put here my data dot variable 2. As simple and concise and precise as that. Okay? 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 Okay. So I come here also on my price here. My price was which one? Was 6,000, as you can see, it's like that. So I come, I bring it there. I put my data dot variable 3. As simple and concise and precise as that. So, members, I solve problems of congesting my page. Okay? Okay? I solve those problems of congesting my page. Okay? With too much cluttery data. Okay? I just have my card. I use my card. Props just come from another place. Okay? They come, all my data is saved here. Okay? My data is saved here. Props just come and they enter through an object and they come here. Okay? This side, this other side of card, you don't even touch that side. We have been working on that, we don't even touch it. Okay? Okay. So everything looks to be very, very organized and very good. Okay? Okay, so it solves me problems where I'll be disorganized, okay? Where things are going to be too many, where things are going to be too cluttery, okay? Okay, and we just move when you're organized. Members, you see this? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this, members? Are you seeing this, members? This is where most people, when they're explaining props, they normally start from this stage. Very dangerous. And if I began from this stage, for a beginner, I would have just killed you. But I want to make sure that we start from the beginning level and we go on to where we are going. Okay? Okay. Remember, if you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and notification icon so that you don't miss any of the upcoming classes. Okay? Okay. Right now, everything looks to be good. My data is coming from this object, as you can see it. Then I bring it inside this page. Okay? When I bring it on this page, then I put it inside the component. As you can see, the component is here. Then I send my data inside this title. Okay? Okay. So as you see, it looks like it is good. Okay? It's still the same. So members, you just choose one which is flexible for you. Okay? It's still the same. You just choose one that is flexible for you. Okay? 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 Okay. So members, you just choose the one that is most flexible, or most convenient, for you. Okay? Just choose. Just choose, members. Okay? Just choose. Okay? Just choose the one that is most convenient for you. Okay? Okay. So when we bring the data here, it is okay. Okay? It is very okay. Okay? Just choose but in most cases when we are building a full stack app, when we are building, let me even put it here, when we are building, this is a secret, when we are building, very complicated, very complicated application, okay? Application. We don't want to clutter it because we shall get confused. Everything will become messy. We normally use this. Are you seeing them? Okay? We normally use that. Okay? Okay, so that's a secret to use. Okay? Okay. So members, it has been a very good day. Please practice. Please practice this. Please practice this concept. Okay? Practice on a daily basis. You will not forget. Okay? And you will become very, very good. Okay? Okay. So I hope everything is good. If you have any question, please hit in the comment section. I see. Okay? And I see how I can help you. Okay? Okay. So members, I would like to end here today. We shall in tomorrow's class. Tomorrow, let me hold about tomorrow's class. Tomorrow's class, we are going to look. Tomorrow is going to be day. What's going to be day? Day 68. Okay, day 68. I'm going to show you how we export. Slash import of types. Okay, slash import of types. Okay, of those types. Okay. Okay, so members, everything looks to be good. I want to take step by step. I don't want to rush. I don't want to rush. Okay? I take it slow by slow and sure. Okay? Okay. Slow and sure. Okay? Okay. So members, I wish to see you in the next video tomorrow. Please follow me tomorrow. Okay? Okay. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Have a very good day.